welcome back on my YouTube channel, Homemade Recipe Inang Belgium. Today I will show you how to make the delicious, super tasty fried chicken, just with a little bit oil, not too much oil, because otherwise if you use too much oil will be cholesterol in your body. So you still can eat healthy, delicious food and still on a budget. And more info, please watch this video from the beginning until the end, and please don't forget to support me with press the bell button, subscribe and give me like, thumbs up, and all the feedbacks, those are welcome on my comment column below. Okay, thank you. Have a good day everyone. I wish you all the best. Now I will show you how to make it. So I will show you now all the ingredients I will use it for my recipe. So of course the chicken, this that's around 700 gram chicken, little bit chicken flavor, okay, and a little bit white flour later. This garlic powder, pepper, okay, salt, saline in French, salines, salt, okay, salt, curcuma, turmeric powder, curcuma, okay, and just a little bit, use little bit oil please, because if too much oil will be too much cholesterol. Okay, and let me explain you how to marinate this chicken. I marinate and I leave it for 30 minutes. So you need to use the teaspoon like this, just add this little bit, the garlic powder little bit until here, okay, and pepper just very little here, and the salt very little also, like this. If too much salt is not good for your blood pressure. And curcuma of turmeric is little bit here also, the teaspoon, and this just little bit chicken flavor. And all together, the ingredients all together, okay, not this you mix here in this chicken, and the color will be like this, and you can leave it for 30 minutes, okay, 30 minutes. Until all the flavor of the ingredients in this. But don't forget to make incision for this chicken before you use the herbs of that ingredient, okay. Yes, okay, look, incision in all chicken, okay. Okay. This after 30 minutes, 30 minutes, okay. Now add the flour, the white flour, okay. To make that crispy. Okay. Okay, just use your hand, but don't forget to wash your hand before you touch the chicken, okay. Until all over, mix it like this. Okay. So it's done. It's like this. Look, and leave it until all the ingredients for 30 minutes. 30 minutes. Okay. Look. Okay. Please use the chicken without skin. Okay? No skin, because that's more healthy. But if you prepare to choose with the skin, you can use the skin, chicken with skin, ya. Okay? Sekarang hidupkan api. Okay. Masukkan minyak, add oil. That's enough. That's more than enough. Not too much. You see, it's not a lot of oil, huh? Very little. So little. Look, it's not too much. Very little oil. Nanti kita goreng lagi ini ya. Ini udah deh, ini dulu. Oke. Lagi. Summer holiday obligation not in Italy, in France, in Paris. So I have to use it what I have during the vacation. I cannot bring all my pants and my praying pan like that. So, but still, I still can eat delicious food, healthy. Thank you for your understanding. Okay, greeting from Paris, from French. Ini baru udah mulai. Yes. It's like this. Look, it's done. Look, healthy, delicious, and less fat of less cholesterol. Hot because during the summer here is 30, more than 30 degrees, 35 degrees in Paris. So it's like that. Easy, right? Please try it at home and please give me a feedback. Okay, and if you're interested, please take a look to my other playlists, and please press the bell button notification and give me thumbs up, and please subscribe, like, and share, and give me a feedback on the comment column. Thank you everyone. Hopefully you enjoyed my video today, and greeting from Paris, Frankrijk met Nederlands. Okay, have a great day everyone. Bye bye. Let's try it. So tasty. You must try it at home, really. Delicious. Look. Have a great day. Bye bye. Greeting from France. Bye. Delicious. During vacation, summer vacation, I need to use what I have, like frying pan like that. As simple as possible, but I still can make it the delicious food, delicious, healthy, and pokoknya the best deh. Okay, eating from Paris. Bye bye. Have a great day. Thank you.